In this video, I will be showing you how to back up your WordPress website in Hostinger. So let's get started with the video. Once we log into the Hostinger account, this is the dashboard you will see. First, click the Manage button and enter the Domains section in which the WordPress site is associated. I have only one domain. If you have more than one WordPress setup in your hosting account, select the domain with the WordPress site. Next, click the Manage Site button under Manage Your Website. This will bring us to this page where we need to enter the backup section. Here we have the WordPress backup settings. To back up WordPress manually, I will need to upgrade my hosting plan. With my current hosting, the backup is automated weekly. To view all the backups, all we need to do is click the View Backups button. Here I have all the backups with the dates on which the site was backed up. We can click these buttons to download the website files and the WordPress database backup. The backup process will start, and the files and folders will begin to back up and download to our computer's download folder. Once completed, we can view the WordPress files and folders in our computer's download folder, like this. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like and share the video if it was helpful. Subscribe to the channel to get more video updates like this.